there's some leftover spinach there she's found. What else can you find in your little bib tray? Hey, Libby, don't eat it. Yucky, yucky. You can't eat it. No, 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 you can't eat it. Have some water. Have some water. Libby, 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 hey, Libby. She's teething something chronic today, Salo. Have some water. Have some water. Yeah, that's the girl. Alright, now we'll give you some porridge, hey? Ah! 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 Time for some porridge? Time for some pudding for the pudding? I think so. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, there's only 2 little pieces of veggies left. Look. Look. Oh, good girl. Now there's only 1 piece of veggie left. Oh, I found another one. We're pushing our luck. Good girl. That's everything. 1 little pasta spiral. Good girl. Alright. Oh, I found another pasta spiral. Good girl. She's just a eating machine. Alright. Time for the pudding. Look. Mmm, yummy. Yummy. Look at that face.